Built by the Amish, we ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it is stunning. Look at them beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at these steps. It goes up to the loft. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cabin plus the loft, making it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can also upgrade and add a bathroom in the loft area to make it a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Beautiful structure, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. I love this 20-foot high ceiling. It just makes the whole place feel massive, you know? I'm a tall fella, so I love a high ceiling. I'm 6'6". So if you like what you see, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Ask for OC. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and please comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, because I think it is gorgeous, but I'd love to get some feedback from you guys, because my opinion don't matter. You guys' does. So let me know something, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful. 812-595-4033. That's my number. 812-595-4033. Y'all be blessed. All right, this is from my buddy Charles. I promised him I'd make a video of the original El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. So here it is. We got the brand new El Chapo Muchacho 2.0, but today the focus is the 1.0. Charles, as you can see, you got the beautiful 6-foot by, zoom back here, 6-foot by 40-foot front covered porch. You got your 26 gauge metal roof. And let me show you how this is built here. Like I said, you got the 4x6 rough cut southern yellow pine, stained, treated. You got your chinking. You got your chinking in between. Got your shutters there. There's 2 runners, 10-foot off center underneath there that the block can sit on as your, as far as your, when we block that up for your foundation. There's the back side of it. Okay. Let's go inside real quick. Show you what else we got going on here. Got your porch swing, which is included. Okay, as you can see, you got hinges up top. The top of the porch folds down. Bottom of the porch folds up. All the railings come out, and we put them in the cabin for transportation. That way, when the cabin shows up, it's like one big rectangle. You got your screened in porch on the front, your screened in door. You walk in, and the Amish just brought this one over to me, so you can see we ain't got it fully set up yet. But when you look to the right, okay, first room to the left is the bathroom. Then you got another bedroom and the bedroom there at the end. You got a spot here where you can have you a little kitchen. Most folks will put their sink right in here. Okay, you got your cabinet up there, all handcrafted. To the right, you can put you a stove or refrigerator. To the left, stove or refrigerator. I turn around. This is your living room area. Okay, there you go. This is what we call the shell, right? So if y'all just want to buy the shell, the finished shell, this is the way it comes. And then you can put the electric, plumbing, heating, and cooling in it yourself. As we go down the hallway, notice the windows got these little lips on them. You go down the hallway, you got your sliding door here. Okay, that's where your bathroom's gonna go. Then you got another sliding door here for bedroom number 1. Okay, and last but not least, the last bedroom here at the end. We're getting ready to put a bed in there now. Built by the Amish. So this is a 2-bed, 1-bath setup. 2-bed, 1-bath setup. A lot of natural light coming in. Okay. And again, walking back Just wanted to film this for my buddy Charles real quick. He wanted to see what it all looks like. So this is the way it comes. You got your knotty pine floors, southern yellow pine 4x6 walls, and just a beautiful handcrafted, made in USA Amish built cabin. So just wanted to film that for y'all real quick, and for my buddy Charles, who's thinking about getting the bigger version of this one. Yeah, give me a call, guys. If you see something you like, I'm gonna upload this to the social media. My name's OC, number's 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. And remember, this dresser here is not part of it. We just ain't set it up in the bedroom yet. That is just the Amish getting me some furniture because they want me to push their furniture on they want me to sell their furniture for them too. So anyways, with that said, let me go back out and show you the outside one last time. And you walk outside, you got your swing, and once again, there you go. So Charles or anybody else, if y'all are interested, give us a call. There's the new El Chapo, the original El Chapos are over here. Give us a call. Let's get you one of these on your land. Again, 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day now. All right, guys, let's say y'all want a 1-bed, 1-bath. This one we can do for $69,000. This is a 1-bed, 1-bath, fully loaded. So this is gonna come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, ready to roll. All you gotta do is bring your appliances in and you're off and running. Got your mini split there, open concept living room, right? We got a couple accent walls here. We painted the knotty pine just to kind of break it up for you a little bit so you ain't got too much wood, okay? This right here is where you're gonna put, you can put your stove, microwave, refrigerator over here. There's your kitchen sink. You got your dishwasher over here. Go down the hallway and can't see it. It's pretty dark, but you got a walk-in shower. You got your commode. You got your sink. Over here, you got your spot for your stackable washer and dryer. And then you got your bedroom right over here. So again, beautiful structure. Over here, you got your electric panel already ready to go, plug and play. You got your water heater. We can go tankless if you want us to, so that way you can use this as an actual closet. Got everything you need. Again, 1-bed, 1-bath. El Poco Loco for $69,900. So $69,900 again, plus shipping and installation. So give us a call today at 1-800-513-1675. Again, that's 1-800-513-1675. Got a little front porch on it, little 6'8" front porch that's also included in it. Okay, we will ship them nationwide. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. Give us a call. We got a couple of these left in inventory. We had like 10, we're down to 2. Let's put a deposit down. Let's get you one of these. Y'all have a blessed day. Take care, y'all. This is the big Bertha 1.0. Got the screened in, half screened in porch to the left side of the front door. Go this way, open up the screened porch. Bam, you can hide away from the bugs right in here. Got your little porch swing. Screened in porch, all handcrafted by the Amish. Super cool cabin. Remember, we ship them nationwide. The link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. Give us a call if you like what you see. Turnaround time to get one of these cabins right now is about 5 to 6 months. So let's get you a cabin on your land this summer. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look at the craftsmanship, y'all. Beautiful. All right, the phone number is 812-595-4033, 812-595-4033. The link is in the bio. Give us a call. Let's get you a cabin. Y'all have a blessed day. Look how pretty this is, y'all. Big Bertha 1.0. Those are the stairs that take you upstairs. You got your back door. Okay. You got your built-in live edge table with 4 stools, 2 on each side. Go into the kitchen area. Look at this. Handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at that rustic aesthetic. Okay, you got a spot here for your full-size refrigerator. Got a cutout already ready for your big old farm sink. Got a spot here for the stove. You see what I'm looking at. Just a beautiful structure. Look at that. There's your little window looking out on your front porch. Let's go out there real quick. There's your back door. Okay. Got a room there for your laundry room, bathroom. This is like a little storage closet underneath the stairs. Some folks put their water heater in there if you want like a big 40-gallon, or you can do a tankless. You got your wooden screened in front door. Okay, check this out. There's the Big Bertha 3.0. You look to the left, look at this. Beautiful covered porch. And bam, what do we got on that side? On the left side of the front door. See, if you're standing here, you're about to walk in the cabin, we keep the right open where you can put your grill and do your cooking over there. Then when you want to get away from the bugs, you got your screened in porch over here on this side with your porch swing, so you can hide away from them bugs over here in your screened in porch. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely beautiful, guys. Isn't that pretty? This is the Big Bertha 1.0 with the screened in porch. We've actually never done one like this before with the screened in porch. So this is the first time we've done one like this with the screened in porch on the Big Bertha. I think it turned out beautifully. So give us a call today if you're interested. This cabin here is $79,900. The one that I'm standing in. It's a 2-bedroom lofted cabin, so you got 2 lofts on the second floor, 2 lofted bedrooms, and then downstairs you got your living room, dining room, and kitchen area. $79,900 as is, or you can buy it fully loaded with electric plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it for $110,000. Okay, just a beautiful structure. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide, y'all. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. We can do them rustic. We can do them modern with the metal siding. We can do story and a half, lots of options. Link in the bio, 812-595-4033. Give me a call. Ask for OC or Cabin Cowboy.